I remember 3 years ago, I realized that I have to learn how to speak in front of people. So someone told me that Praveen, join Toastmaster Club. I said, what do you mean by that? He said, there is a club where people learn, practice public speaking. I said, really? So I went on Google and I typed Toastmaster in Mumbai and found Mumbai Toastmaster. I went there on Sunday morning. First time in my life, never happened this. First time in my life, I saw adults so serious about public speaking. I saw, but only kids serious on the stage. And so serious that people are coming on the stage, and these are people, not just students. It's like not just infancy stage of the career. They are few middle of the career, top of the career. They're senior people coming on the stage, speaking for 5 to 7 minutes, strict timing guidelines, evaluations, and then these impromptu talks also, because they strongly believe that you should be ready to speak at any point of time. I said, wow, these people are super serious. And number one thing which we have learned, at least I have learned that day on the day one, is there is only one way to learn public speaking, and that is public speaking. There is no other way. And to learn and practice public speaking, we need public. Where is public? At Toastmaster. And the advantage of that Toastmaster public is that like-minded people, they have one common objective: to improve how to speak in front of people. And nowadays I'm so happy that lots of people are taking initiative to start a bilingual clubs also. Example, we have a Marathi Toastmaster Club, Qatar. Oh my God. Never thought, even in my wildest dream, that in Qatar someone will start a Marathi Toastmaster Club. Why I'm so happy about this? Just because I'm Maharashtrian? No, not because of that. Because I strongly believe that there's no connection between English and public speaking. There are so many English teachers, they are learning public speaking. There are so many countries where the native language is English, but not necessarily they are good in public speaking, and there are so many countries where they don't speak in English. There is no connection. Language is just a vehicle to deliver the content. I'm getting an opportunity, and I'm so pleasantly surprised when I got that opportunity to speak at Marathi Toastmaster Club, Qatar. They have a meeting on 18th of August from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Fortunately, I have a slot of around 30 minutes. Within that 30 minutes, within my capacity, I will share with you what I have learned in last 3 years in public speaking. But I must tell you, whatever I have learned from Toastmasters in the last 3 years, it has changed my personal, professional and financial life. Let's meet for 30 minutes in that meeting. This is Pramodaka signing out until we meet again.